Somewhere after 50, many people stop feeling needed. The children grow up, careers slow down, friendships change, and quietly, many people begin wondering, where do I still belong? But something powerful happens when we become part of something bigger than ourselves. Because friendship is beautiful. A coffee date is beautiful. A WhatsApp message that say, I'm thinking of you is beautiful. But sometimes friendships grows into something deeper. Sometimes friendship becomes community. And community is friendship with working close on. It is people showing up. People noticing when something is wrong. People saying this matters. People refusing to look away. And after 50, I think this becomes one of the most important questions we can ask. Where can I still contribute? Where can my life experience still make a difference? Because you are not finished, you are not invisible, and you are certainly not useless. Many people after 50 carry wisdom that communities desperately needed. We know how to organize, we know how to listen, we know how to stay calm when life becomes difficult. We know how to bring people together. And maybe we do not have to fix the whole world. Maybe we only need to choose one circle. Our street, our church, our complex, our working group, our family, our local charity. And then ask one small question. What is one realistic way I can show up? Not perfectly, not dramatically, just faithfully. Because community is not built by perfect people. It is built by ordinary people who care enough to take the next step. Follow Fry for honest, practical encouragement for life after 50. Because retirement is not about stepping back from life. It's about stepping into who you always meant to become. Thank you for watching.